Wondering about the 2026 housing market? I've got the answers to your top 10 buyer questions. Let's dive right in.
Everyone is asking, is 2026 the year the housing market finally breaks? Or is it the best time in a decade to actually get a deal? If you have been Googling, will home prices drop, or how much do I need to put down? Stop. I have analyzed the top 10 questions every home buyer is asking right now. And today, I am giving you the data-backed answers so you can stop guessing and start moving. Let us dive in. Question number 1. Is it a good time to buy? The short answer, yes, but only if you are looking long-term. 2026 has brought us more inventory and less bidding war chaos than we saw in the early 20s. Question number 2. Will prices drop? Most experts say no. We are seeing a plateau, not a crash. Waiting for a 2008-style collapse could cost you thousands in missed equity. Question number 3. Where are rates going? We have stabilized in the 5.5% to 6.5% range. The 3% days are over, but 6% is the new good. Marry the house, date the rate. You can always refinance later if they dip. Question number 4. Do I need 20% down? Absolutely not. In 2026, the average first-time home buyer is putting down about 3% to 3.5%. FHA loans still require a 3.5% down payment, and that amount can often be covered by first-time buyer down payment assistance programs offered in many states. Some conventional loan programs may even allow qualified buyers to purchase with no money down. Question number 5. How do I qualify? Partner with a trusted realtor like Bob Hale Realty. They work with experienced lenders to help buyers achieve homeownership smoothly and with less stress. Keep your debt-to-income ratio under 43% and your credit score above 680 for the best terms. Question number 6. Hidden costs? Do not forget closing costs. Budget an extra 2 to 5% of the purchase price for taxes, title fees, and prepayments. Question number 7. Rent or buy? With rents continuing to climb at 4% annually, buying locks in your housing cost. Question number 8. Finding off-market deals? You need an agent with pocket listings, or you need to look at new construction. Builders are offering massive incentives right now. Question number 9. Climate and insurance? This is huge in 2026. Check the flood zones and fire risks before you buy. High insurance premiums are the new hidden mortgage killer. Finally, question number 10. What features matter for resale? Buyers today want green and smart. Solar-ready roofs, EV charging in the garage, and high-efficiency HVAC systems are not just cool anymore. They are expected. If the house does not have them, use that as a negotiation point. The 2026 market belongs to the prepared. If you want my 2026 buyer cheat sheet with a full breakdown of these costs, click the link in my description. And if you're looking in Georgia, call Bob Hale Realty today at 706-796-2274 or 706-840-4663. I'd love to help you discover a great opportunity you may not have seen online yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel for weekly market updates and new listing tours.